Hey guys, this is a new song I wrote. Check it out. I know that I've been through so much and it wears on my mind, but I wanna find my solace and leave it all behind. But I'm wound up so tight inside, and I'm scared to let go, 'cause the second that I release, I know I'm gonna blow. Oh girl, what am I to do? I'm sitting right in front of you, and I don't wanna let you go, and I don't wanna let you go. I wish I could love you, 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 but I'm afraid to. Been down so many roads now, and they all lead to nowhere. So what am I to do? I can't breathe, I can't even think. I just wanna turn back time and rewind to a place where I didn't push myself to be someone I'm not. I'll never find perfection. I wish I could love you, 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 but I'm afraid to.